Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this tablet. Firstly, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Then click on Privacy section over here. Now click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like for example, I will go with Location. Then select one of your apps like Gallery and tap on one of those options. Ask each time, allow only while in use or deny. I will go with Ask, so now when I go back, as you can see, Gallery just gained access to this device location if I select Allow in the pop-up while using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my contacts. So I have to click on them and tap on See All Contacts Permissions instead. Now you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!